Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super cool and cute, a smartphone with a happy face. Ready to create this adorable little phone? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, grab your black marker and let's begin. First, let's draw a big rectangle right in the middle of our paper. This will be the main shape of our cute smartphone. Next, inside the big rectangle, draw a smaller rectangle to make it look like the phone screen. Perfect! At the bottom of our phone, let's add a small heart shape for the home button. Now it's time to add a face. Let's draw two big, adorable eyes on the screen. To make it even cuter, let's add two long ears on top of the phone, one on each side. These ears are like little bunny ears. So cute! Now, let's decorate our picture with a few small hearts around the phone. These hearts make it look like our phone is full of love and happiness. Fantastic! Our drawing is almost done. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Go over all the lines carefully. Look at our cute smartphone. It almost looks like it's ready to dance.
Yay!
Great job. Now it's time to color. Let's grab our color pens and get started. We'll be using 3 colors today. Let's start with red color for the heart button and the hearts around it. Then we'll use pink color for the cute little ears. Finally, use light pink color for the phone. Wow, it looks amazing! So bright and cheerful. Our adorable smartphone drawing is all done. You did such a fantastic job, little artist. Thanks for drawing with us today. Make sure to subscribe for more fun art tutorials, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Keep drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have fun with art at Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next video.